I bet that this has happened with you before. You have an idea, you have written it in a phone, or you have written it in a pen and using a pen and paper in the night, and in the morning you are not able to find, or after a few days you saw that it is gone for a toss. Now that is where this napkin.ai comes into picture, and I'm going to talk about napkin.ai in this particular video and want to show you step by step that how to use this particular to your benefit. The best part of napkin.ai is a lot of things, a lot of ideas. We are getting too many ideas or data at this present time, right now. So much data, if you are really putting into your head, I mean, with the research, you know already that around 80% of the things within 24 hours will be lost. So if you have 100 of ideas, you will lose it very quickly if you are not really storing it inside a particular tool, AI tool like this, right? So that is why I want to do this video, and please make sure that you follow these steps and capture your ideas through napkin.ai. This will be really a game changer for people like students, for entrepreneurs, for YouTubers, or for the content makers, those who want to keep it crisp and write it down somewhere with the images, with the maps kind of things. I mean, you may have seen like this in the whimsical, but this is not really so. I mean, this is over and above whimsical, and I really felt very fantastic about this, and you guys can use this. I will show you step by step. Let's jump into the tool, and once you see this, your mind will be blown. So in the browser, what you type is napkin.ai, right? After you press enter, you will be able to see a screen like this, where it is just giving a demo about how it works and all those things. I mean, if you see, the start is by pasting your text. So that is what I am going to do for you, and you will be able to relate it very quickly and very easily. And then you have to click on this kind of button to generate the visual. I will show you exactly how you have to do that. Then you have to polish it and make it yours so that it really looks nice, and okay. So I have some text over there for my next few videos, or maybe which I will be doing in the future. For that, you have to do a sign in. For all of you, you just need to click on the sign in. You can use your Google, or you can use whatever you want. Okay, now based on that, you can just log in to that particular napkin, and I have created few of them already. I have a library of things which is already there, but I will show you exactly what you have to do. Okay, let's log in. It's taking few minutes time. So Azure versus AWS is the last one which I have created. Let me create. You click on the blank napkin. Okay, so new napkin, they are calling it as napkin, and you click on the new napkin. And what you do is, whatever content you have, just to start with, what you do is you just take, for me this is one of the content which I have for my future videos. Now let me go back to the tool, and what I will do is I will just paste this as it is. And for me, the topic is digital awakening, the virtual reality you can't escape. And for this is the text which I have generated using ChatGPT, and just I am putting it over here. Now what I do is, by reading, I mean, if you see this text is so much of a text inside it, what I will do is I will go here, I will click on this, and it will be scanning through the whole document. It is going to create certain amount of picture for me. What it is showing directly, if I have not read this, what I can see here is, let me see and click this. So we can see directly from here that you are balancing the virtual reality's impact, or you are trying to find out the virtual reality's impact from this. So VR is for therapy, VR is for education, virtual reality addiction, it is talking about the negative impact, it is talking about the positive impact, and it is talking about the isolation. The connection and isolation is what it has talked. Now if you read this document quickly, virtual reality, VR, is no longer a buzzword or futuristic concept. It is real, and all these things. If you just read quickly through this content, you will be able to see that it has just given a very high level thought process that how you are going to. Now if you just give this on screen and you talk about this, or if you are putting this in your head, in your memory, it will be easier to remember this much content. Now let me take another example. So do another example. What I will do, I will again create a new napkin and I will create a new blank one. Okay, and what I will do is I will go to my next topic, say 10 AI breakthroughs that will change the world in 2025. Now for this, what I will do is I will just copy it and again I will go back to napkin. I am going to paste it again here. If it is one topic, it will, if it is one full paragraph, it is going to create one. Now say for example, I have clicked on that particular topic, and the moment I have clicked on it, it has created some diagrams for me, AI breakthroughs and transforming the daily life. So my topic was what? 10 AI breakthrough that will change the world in 2025. And moment I have given that AI breakthrough transforming daily life, artificial intelligence, general intelligence, enhanced decision making, personal and increased efficiency. What you guys can do is, I mean, if you see, you have different kind of options over here. Okay, now what you need to do is, depending upon which one you want to choose, you can just choose it. Okay, now if I don't like it, say for example, what I will do is I will just click on this, I will just delete this, and I can again regenerate. Say for example, you go here and you just generate this again, and I will show you that what are the different kind of diagram or tooling which you can choose from this. Okay, now if you see here, it is talking about AI breakthrough shaping. Just few minutes back you have seen one diagram was directly by default it was producing. The second time you are doing it, it is giving something else, and that is why I am saying you keep on seeing that what is best fitted for your kind of thing, and you can choose from this. I mean, this is really brilliant, and it will make things and life much easier. Say for example, if you see this one, it is showing that how many items I have covered. Now if you have 100 of pages of a text and you're pushing it inside this, just think about the students who are really mugging up things and looking without understanding. So this will give you a very normal thing and give beautiful pictures format, and you can directly see this and you can remember half of those things without even reading those. You can understand that what is the context it is talking about, right? So that's how this Napkin AI has changed the world, and I'm really liking it. You guys should try this, and you can put your content over here. It can be, if you have multiple content, say for example these are in paragraphs and you want one diagram for this to be generated, and then if you have say, I will just once this diagram is generated, I will show you the next one. So what I meant by this is you can just break it into multiple contents depending upon what is your requirement, that you need to find out. If you are doing a history book or a history chapter, then go there and put it inside the napkin, and you will be able to paragraph by paragraph you can generate your content. And if you are say for example, now the second one, I want just for these I want some diagrams to be generated. I don't know what it is exactly, but I'm not reading through the whole content. Okay, I'm just showing you that how different. Just imagine that this has been generated within few seconds, and you can choose your style. I mean, in this style, in this particular case it is just one or two. Maybe you can see the hidden styles also. So once you have registered to that, so just imagine this has been created. For the next one, what you can do is, if you are breaking this over here, what you do is just for this one you want to generate another. So it's not that for the full text only one picture will come or one image will come. It is the combination of many images which you can produce just by using. I have used in one of my video at the moment, and I will be frequently using this. You guys can also use this while generating your content, or while remembering or creating a presentation in your office or wherever you are using. This is fantastic. And just imagine this, what we have read in that paragraph. It is talking about initial AI capabilities, advanced NLP, sophisticated vision, edge AI, reinforcement, and advanced AI system. So if you go and read this particular paragraph, that should be related to this one. Like that, you can come here and generate one more image. I think this is good enough for you. Now what you can do is you can paste your own thing, and in the comment box don't forget to mention what you have generated, whether it is really giving you an edge and a different version or the different vision what you never thought about. Please put, and I will be waiting for your comments in the comment box. Last but not the least is when you have created this image, at the end your whole target will be how can I download these images, right? So without downloading these images, it does not make any sense. So what you can do is you just click on that particular image, and here there will be a button, you can export it. Now here there is a transparency, I mean I will show you exactly what it is. You can choose the colors of your templates, and you can keep changing these things. Okay, you can make the transparent or not transparent. You want to change the style, you can change the style, and then when you click on the export, you will be having this kind of things where you can get PNG. This is the free version, and you just use the free version for time being. And then there is a background on and off. If you don't want the background to come, this is white background at the moment, and if you are pasting this picture in a particular place where you really don't want this background white image to come, say you have a background at black already in place, so don't download that one. You can just make it, switch it on or off depending upon whatever you want. And then you can the resolution you can just increase or decrease depending upon what you want to do. Then the color mode is light and dark, so depending upon what you need, your specific needs are, you can make sure. And then when you're doing a download button, it will automatically download on your folder, and you have that with you. So what you can just do is you can just click on that, and it should be opening up very quickly. So I'm just waiting for that image to be created. Yeah, I think it has been loaded. So you can understand that it is a great tool, and you can start using right now from today. And you can download the images, so you can just go back and see this image. And what you need to do is, again, you just go there and say, for example, you want to change the color. I mean, this is not good, but if you want to change the color to background or whatever it is, you can just change. You can always click over there, and you can make your resolutions changed. Okay, and then finally what you can also do is, if you want to change the style, you can change the style of it. And finally what you need to do is, you just need to click on that resolution button, again click on download, and let's see what it comes up with. I'll just again show you what it is coming up with, and this is the one which is coming up with. And you will really be surprised to see this kind of images which is getting produced. So this is what we got from the last one. Hope that it clears every doubts over here, right? Thank you guys. How did you felt about this? Isn't it mind-blowing? This is really mind-blowing, right? I mean, you need to really tell that how you're using this particular tool. Just pour anything after this, after watching this video. Just go subscribe there. I'm not going to get anything out of this, okay? It is just for your benefit. Whatever you are using, you will be really benefited by this tool. Please go and dump anything inside this tool, and they are now free. You can just subscribe to that, and you can get, there is no payment at this point in time. At some point it will come, but now it is free. So please use to your benefit, and this is a fantastic AI tool. Like and subscribe for more quality content in this particular channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.